Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we've got a Jaguar Mk2 set that's come all the way from America. I'd just like to show you some of the condition. In the normal condition, just a little bit drier. This is the top roll, and I don't know if many people know this or not, but it's jointed down the middle there. So as you can see, that's coming to pieces, and we have to take that apart anyway with all Jaguar Mk2s, clean it all up. We re-glue it, screw it, glue it back down, and then let it bond before we start to strip off all the old veneer. So that's the top roll. Then also you'll see on the clock binnacle piece, looks like that, and on occasions you'll see things like cracking like this. If you can see that cracking, it's the joint that's on this side, so then that would need to be all re-veneered because the glue underneath has failed, and we take them all to pieces anyway. I'll just show you the glue that's there. If it turns white like this and it crystallises, it all needs to come apart, which we do here at GDK Veneering anyway. So we take all that individual pieces, there's little blocks that are on the back to help to hold it in place like that. All them have to be reset on. See on this particular set that all the veneer is starting to chip off. It's just leaving the wood underneath. This actual set comes with the two picnic tables. Now we do veneer these in like a bare walnut, just like this, and we'll have a joint in the middle originally, so it'll mirror the pattern from left to right. Now on occasions, obviously it's an extra cost, we can put cross banding all the way around this edge like that up there, and then that will blend in with the door cappings when they have the cross banding all the way around and the dash pieces. But that is an optional extra. Moving on to the door cappings, you can see that this back edge here is where the sticks like that would screw onto. This particular stick has just all rotted away and it's fallen to pieces, literally. You see at the back where all the glue yet again has failed on them, so all that will have to be cleaned up. But at the same time we do need to keep all these names, numbers, because that's what makes it original to the car. And that's it really. That's a Jaguar Mk2 set all the way from America. This is going to be fully restored. We have got the hockey sticks and the other little pieces, which look like this, just before I go. They look like that. Here's one of these light switches that are missing. Now on the hockey sticks, so we call them, would look like this, and that would sit like that in the car. You'd be sitting in the front and this will go around the back. Now these hockey sticks are really fragile, especially at this point here, at this top end, so if you're working on them and you just bang it a bit, they normally snap. And that's exactly what this one has done. So that's snapped off. I'll show you the difference in size so you can see how much is actually snapped off it. So there we go. That's how much is missing off that hockey stick. So I have to splice that and cut a piece into that. Right, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends. And on this video, if you watch this on YouTube, Facebook or anything like that, if you give us a call, and our details are here, my name's Jed, and if you give us a call on that number and see if we can be able to give you a 10% discount on any classic car wood restoration work. Yet again, there's the number once again. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.